If you've noticed that your iPhone consumes a lot of data and you keep purchasing data every day, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reduce the amount of data that your iPhone consumes. So the first step in solving this problem is to actually find out what apps are consuming your data the most. And to do that, all you have to do is go to your settings, click on mobile service, scroll down and click on show all. Now you can see the amount of data that all your apps are consuming. As you can see on my end, Instagram is consuming the most amount of data, followed by WhatsApp. Now that we found out that these are the two apps that consume my data the most, it's time to take action. Now the first thing that we would actually do is to turn on data saver. Data saving mode is actually going to limit the amount of data that these apps use, and it's going to help you save data. To turn on data saving mode, all you have to do is go to settings, click on mobile service, click on your SIM and then click on data mode, then click on low data mode. Now the second step is actually a more drastic step, and what we are going to do is to limit background activities. Now there are some apps that even though they are not actively in use, they still use your mobile data to load notifications and to update themselves. I'm sure you must have found out that sometimes while scrolling through your home screen, you just see some apps downloading updates by themselves and you keep wondering, how do these even get to download by themselves? Well, iOS is actually built in a way that some of these apps can download updates automatically. So we are going to turn off both background refresh and auto update. Now to do this, all you have to do is go to settings, scroll down, click on apps, and then locate those apps that consume your data. In my case, it was Instagram. Click on Instagram and then turn off background app refresh. Now this is actually going to reduce the amount of data that Instagram uses in the background. Now the third thing that we can actually do to limit the amount of data that our iPhone consumes is to turn off iCloud backup. A lot of people actually have iCloud backup set up on their iPhone with the hopes that this would actually help them save their data to iCloud. Yes, of course, this actually helps you sync your data to iCloud, but at the expense of your mobile data. Now we are going to turn this off and set it up in a way that our phone is only going to back up to iCloud when we are connected to Wi-Fi. So anytime we have our mobile data turned on, it is not going to back up to iCloud. Now all you have to do to set this up is go to settings, click on mobile service, scroll down and then turn off iCloud backup. Now once you've done that, our iPhone is no longer going to back up to iCloud with our mobile data. But you have to be careful when turning this off if you are somebody that backs up a lot of data to your iCloud. Now the final thing that we can actually do to save data on our iPhones is to download the light versions of apps if they are available. Now I know that a lot of all these light versions are not available on App Store, but just in case you find any light version, I would advise that you download the light version over the normal version, because the light versions have actually been built to save data. If you're an Android user, you can go ahead straight away, download the light versions. Light versions are readily available for Android users. I'm very sure that after following all these steps, you would have configured your iPhone and set it up in a way that it wouldn't consume your data too much. If you have any other suggestions on how to reduce the amount of data iPhones consume, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that like button. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the video, and of course, feel free to share it with your friends. Stick with me and let's keep ourselves in a technical manner. Cheers.